Shalom, Sakal here. Thank you so much for tuning in for part 4 of Is It Important to Know Who the Chosen People Are? Okay, so we're just going to jump right in from where we left off. If you believe in the Elohim of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob and expect their Elohim to save you, whether native born or not, you must, one, understand that Yah has a chosen people, and they are who his covenant is to first. Okay, they are who his covenant is with first, and then to those who join to Israel. We must know who the people of Israel truly are, especially because the chosen people's identity was stolen. This is one of the greatest deceptions that you will find. We must understand that those people are Yah's true and original chosen people. He has a covenant with them, and we with him. And that covenant also allows the non-native born to enter into it with Yah's people, not without. In ancient days, everyone knew who Yah's chosen people were, so it was a given. Not just by physical characteristics, but most importantly and more prevalent was by who they worshipped, what they did, and what they proclaimed and how they lived. I have to mention that today because frequently you may hear me talk about the true chosen people. Why? Because the world has tried to replace us, but Yah has not. Yah knows where each and every one of his people have been scattered, and he will gather us to him again. Another reason why is because we were taught misinformation through the system of Christianity. If I didn't have to mention that first, I would simply say, return to the covenant for the native born, and for the non-native born, I would say, if you would like to join us, you must enter into covenant with Yah and become a part of our family. You will if you do. You can't become a part of our family. You can't come into covenant. You can't come into Yah's house and family without his children. You can't hate his children. You can't dislike. You can't reject. You can't say, oh no, you're not, even though the proof is there. If you're one of those people, then I'm sorry, you have to be careful with what you say, because Yahuwah will handle that and take care of that. You can't come into covenant and Yah's house and family without Yah's children, his chosen people, because the covenant was written to them first. And those who attached, joined, dwelled among us, and wants to obey the Most High can then come into covenant also. It just can't be done without Yah's people. You can't hate Yah's people. And if you don't know who Yah's people are, then find out who his true people are. If you stay with me, I will have links and all kinds of information to show and prove who Yah's people are today. Let's go to Numbers 15:14, because I mentioned that those who dwell with Israel will also have a part of Israel, an inheritance. Numbers 15:14. And if a stranger sojourn with you, or whosoever be among you in your generations, and will offer an offering made by fire of a sweet savor unto Yahuwah, as ye do, so he shall do. One ordinance shall be both for you of the congregation, and also for the stranger who sojourns with you, in accordance forever in your generations. As ye are, so shall the stranger be before Yahuwah. One law and one manner shall be for you and for the stranger who sojourns with you. Notice it says, as ye do, he shall do. How would you know what to do, how to live according to the way Israel lives, if you are not around Israel? Do you think that just by reading and having your own understanding and life experiences in the Western world and thinking would suffice? Or would it be better to immerse yourself in the culture of the people? Just think about it. If someone wants to learn Spanish, they may go to Spain and immerse themselves in the culture, in the people, and get to know what they're saying. If someone wanted to learn about Chinese people or Japanese people or any other people, you would go to that country and immerse yourself in the land, in the language, in the culture, right? And if you wanted to become them, then you would move into one of their villages, or you would be around them, right? So that's how it is to be an ally or a stranger or sojourner among Israel. And then Yahuwah also tells us that when that happens, you're to be treated as the native born. Let's go ahead and read Romans 3:1-2, because I just want you to know that Yahuwah gave Yehuda his oracles. This Yehuda is who we should be learning from. Romans 3:1-2. What advantage has the Yahudim, or what profit is there of circumcision? Much in every way, chiefly because that unto them were committed the oracles of Elohim. So there you have it. We've completed part 4 and the entire study of, is it important to know who the chosen people are? And I hope that this spurs you want to continue to do your study and research, dig deeper. Don't just believe what I say, but verify it, study on your own. And I hope you meet me next time for the next study. So do please remember to like, subscribe, and share if you would. Don't forget to hit the notification button. Until next time, Ahava Shalom.